walking up to this tree right here I seen from the road on Haven. I thought it'd be pretty cool to just stop by, take a look at it, show you what the wind is doing today. Pretty much destruction, as you can see. Tree is totally uprooted from the ground. Look at that gap in there. Awesome. Luckily no one was right here and got hurt. That's what we get today. As I back up here. So, a lot of destruction going down in Rancho today. A lot of things falling apart. Put your stuff away. I've already lost a basketball court and a flagpole. So, you know how bad it is.